Welcome to Mastering and Guideline in Ultrasound and Echo.
Hi everyone, here hands-on experience 3. You have a patient, challenging patient, and you go for the apical 4. You search for everywhere. You cannot find apical 4, apical window, but suddenly during this searching the window, you get this view. First of all, what is this view? Second, only with one maneuver you can get it apical 4. What maneuver from this view will be? Second, in those cases that you have a patient, they have fair parasternal window, but the apical, you go everywhere, mid clavicle, armpit, anterior axillary, everywhere, turning the patient. You cannot find the window, apical window. What is the simplest technique or trick that you can find apical window? Here you have you fix it from the previous one, and now you get it this view. Is that correct apical 4 or not? If not, what maneuver should you done? Only one maneuver. Without anything, you can fix it this apical 4. What it is, and what view is this one? What you called it? And another one, do you see any artifact, a very significant artifact? What is its name? You get it apical 4, try it, but it give you this view. You can see we have fair left ventricle size, everything, but right ventricle is small, and even right atrium is small. What maneuver, with which maneuver, only one maneuver, we can fix it, make it good for chamber view. Take, do this maneuver from apical 4, do one maneuver, and it become like from here it goes like this. What take maneuver has done, and what is this view name, and why we do it this view? In another patient, you get apical 4 chamber view, this one. Based on this, first, on the P-axis at the level of the apex, what abnormality or what finding you will expect to see. Second, patient has two devices. Can you find those two devices and what those are? Now let's see the answers.